How the heck do we power the dormers? How do we get power from over here to over here? How do we do that? Through an extension cord, through extension cords that we make. Now, we usually want to try to find the best way to cut across. And so, yes, we can hook into our power line here. And I'll show you here. You can take a female right here and put an inline female right here on this line. See, this line's going, it's not cut. We put a male right there. It is best to tie these. This one's not tied right now. I'll show you what I mean on the other side. But it is best to tie it here. And what we do is we do run across here. Sometimes if we can get it straight across so that way you can't see it. But usually brown wire, you're not gonna see it from the ground anyway, or green, depending on the shingles. So right here is my extension cord coming across here. And where is it? Right there. And you can see how we tied it. The reason why we want to tie these is so that when we pull these lights down and the lights all start falling down, when it gets here, it can unplug from there. And again, we install to take down 15 minutes. It takes 2 hours to put up, hours to put up, 15 minutes to take down. It's getting hot. Not really hot, but it's getting hot. What we do is when we pull them all down, they'll pull down and we can just keep pulling. And then these will all pull right off the side here, off the front gutter, off the side gutter, and we never have to get back on the roof. In the snow and crappy weather in the wintertime, that way we don't have to get back on the roof. We cut across here. We could have dropped down from the top up there, and that would have probably been a little bit shorter, but there was already a female on the line there, so we just went with it right there. This is a way that you can hook up your dormers, and I've gotten asked this quite a bit of times of, can we hook into the line? Yes, so that line with all the bulbs is the exact same line as extension cord, your zip cord. It's 18.2 gauge wire, SPT1, or you could be SPT2. I would recommend you get SPT1. What it does is this is a way that you can cut across over to your dormers, maybe up to the upstairs to the second level. If you're on the first level and you got to go up, we can do the exact same thing. And so all we got to do is put an inline female and make it happen. But you can see we just cut across there and made that happen. This is a way that you can hook up your dormers, and this is also power flow, right? When we're coming up here, we want to make sure that it's a female, wherever our power is a female, and we go to a male, and we always end in a female. Again, as I've said in other videos, I know I've said this a lot, but I'm trying to harp on it because I don't want someone getting shocked or burning somebody's house down, is the female always has the power. Whenever it's something's unplugged, the female is the only one going to have power. There should never be a hot male sitting out there, because if you have a hot male, you're in the wrong business, and we don't want hot males in Christmas lights. We only got one male that's hot. We don't want two hot males. If you got two hot males, you're in the wrong business. We only want one hot male. So just remember that. One hot male.